Enfield Himalayan 450 represents a new era in adventure motorcycling, seamlessly blending ruggedness with refinement. Crafted to take on the most unpredictable terrains, this machine isn't just a motorcycle, it's a trusted companion. For explorers who thrive on challenges, its robust design reflects endurance and timeless style, while every line and contour speaks of journeys untamed. Built with an all-new liquid-cooled engine, it delivers smooth yet commanding performance across highways, trails, and mountain passes, ensuring riders feel at home wherever the road or lack of it leads. With a perfect balance of strength and agility, it inspires confidence even when the path ahead is unpaved, uncertain, and unforgiving. At the heart of this motorcycle lies the Sherpa 450 engine, a powertrain designed to breathe life into every adventure. Offering linear power delivery and exceptional torque across the rev range, it ensures effortless climbs over rocky ascents and steady cruising on long stretches. The liquid cooling system keeps performance consistent in extreme conditions, from blistering heat to freezing altitudes. Its 6-speed gearbox makes transitioning between slow technical riding and high-speed touring seamless, while ride-by-wire technology refines throttle response for precision in every twist of the wrist. Riders experience not just strength but also finesse, proving that the Himalayan 450 is engineered for endurance without sacrificing control. Adventure demands versatility, and the Himalayan 450 is built with that ethos at its core. Its frame geometry ensures stability and maneuverability, equally adept at cutting through city traffic or navigating hairpin bends in the mountains. Long suspension and spoked wheels with tubeless tires handle uneven surfaces with ease, offering a smooth yet commanding ride. Equipped with switchable ABS, the motorcycle adapts to both tarmac and loose gravel, giving riders control where it matters. The ergonomic upright seating, wide handlebars, and accessible seat height prioritize rider comfort over extended journeys. Every detail, from luggage mounting points to LED lighting, enhances practicality and safety, making it as functional as it is formidable. Technology further elevates the Himalayan 450's identity as a modern explorer. The TFT display with Google Maps integration brings navigation directly into the rider's